Meg does my makeup.
Blindfolded.
On that.
That's okay.
Not
You're good. I can't even.
I'm losing my mind. This is a cheek. That's a cheek. That's probably not blended. But I'm trying. It's fine.
So great.
These are eyeshadows.
These are eyeshadows, yeah.
My eyebrow. No, it's not. Oh God, it is. Do we want to blend something into the crease too?
You know it.
Oh.
That's an interesting choice.
Well, you know, the deepest shade is on the lid. We can only be going up from here.
Yeah. Okay, so that one is at 400 and something. 460. Yeah. So that one, can you send me a song task for December?
That's all I got. And then what's left? Oh, eyeliner.
Nope.
Is that
Yes,
mascara?
please.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Okay, if you get this in my eye.
Keep your eyes as closed as possible.
Oh my goodness.
It's like, oh. The content of you just like grabbing my face.
Okay. I don't know about this. Maybe I'm too scared to poke you in the eye. I'm not gonna do mascara. You can do that last. This is a lip
To
pencil.
tie the lip together.
This is a lip pencil.
Oh my goodness. Fantastic.
Can you rub your lips together? It's not gonna help. I guess I'm gonna take my blindfold off now. I'm scared.
I think we need to
Put this
get
back on.
Oh my goodness.
Thank you for watching. I'm crying and I feel like my makeup is running.
Just fantastic.
I wasn't that bad on the lip. Like, it's on your lips, at least. The look. This is the finished look.
You need to do a lap for everyone.
Make it by Megan.